Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday morning, December 15th. We're looking at the SPY ETF's market profile here on Window Trader. First off, let's start. There will be no video tomorrow morning. I have an appointment early. I hope to be back for the opening, but definitely there will not be a video tomorrow morning. So let's get to what's going on today. Let's start. This is the SPY. Here's the IWM, pretty much the same as SPY. They're in a 5-day balance. They looked above it at an all-time high, came in firmly in balance, firmly in the middle of yesterday's day. Triple Q is a little different. But again, perspective and context. They held their gap from yesterday, unlike the SPY. However, they never filled the last set of single prints from the 9th and got up to their distribution like the SPY and the Russell did. So they're lagging a little bit behind overall, but today they're trying to lead as they attempt to take out yesterday's high. And then for the triple Qs, firmly in balance right now, 10-day balance. We are literally trading at half back from yesterday, basically a double distribution again from last night, where we had from 4 o'clock to 8 p.m. over here, and now this morning right above the POC. Now, we settled all the way down here. Again, I firmly believe this market was attempting to just push down through shorts. Yes, there's a lot of people still long over these 10 days, but they're not going to get jittery until we start getting to the bottom of the balance again. So I don't think those are the ones that will be running for the door just yet. The shorts, however, if this was shorting, then a lot of this from last night and again this morning are people who were shorting later in the day and were looking for more this morning, but right now not getting it. Destinations for this morning. So we had the price probe last night. That was K's low. Right now, that's being firmly rejected with 75 minutes to go at 365.68. Then we have our pre-market high. Right now, it's 367.46. Now remember, we had a trend day in SPY. 2 little ticks of single prints. 368.01 get filled at 02. Yesterday's high, 369.80, which was also a poor high. For the downside, and remember we said the destinations were far and wide apart. These algorithms get set to very visual reference points. And once you take over that price probe, there's really not much to the upside right now. So that's why they're drifting higher. For the downside, right now it's the overnight low of 364.58. Then yesterday's low of 364.47. And then 363.26 weekly low, bottom of the 10-day balance, and filling the gap at 363.12. Pre-market volume very light right now at 380,000. I mean, you talk about the worst of your risk-reward trades. In balance, in value, at half back. Nothing to lean on. It's not like there's an afternoon rally high I could take a short against. It's not like there's an afternoon pullback low. There's not a wide POC. There's nothing. So I expect tremendous wide ranging chop this morning. In balance, in value. I think the early key to the day, 2 early keys. Number 1 will be the opening as always. If we can't get above it or below it, who wins it? And right now, again, until we get more market-generated information, M range from yesterday. Any acceptance into M's range and the odds of trading to the low of the day become a lot better. So as a bull, you certainly want to stay out of there. Those are 2 early things, the opening and M's range. Other than that, you will get tremendous chop, and there is no play early on in the day. Chart-wise, I'm just going to show you the daily. Here it is, 10-day balance. We stopped the one-time framing down yesterday. It's a market waiting for more market-generated information on the day time frame. The monthly's up, the weekly's up. Now, the weekly hasn't gotten distance recently. The monthly, the key number for me is last month's high, which is 364.38. Yesterday's low is 364.47. You can't get any more mechanical than that, as they got right above the previous all-time high last month, and basically now they're attempting to bounce away from it as we're up about $2 higher from where it is. patience on a day like today is key. Good luck trading today. Come check us out at camelbacktrading.org, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.